I am going to make a chocolate twist cake. So we will see what the twist is going to be like. Now I am taking the butter first into the pan. Now you see, I have always told you, when you take the butter, butter should be in the fridge. Never take it out and keep for a long time. Never, never, ever keep it. It should be taken then and there, chop it up and start doing. That's the main thing that I always tell you. Please remember that. Now we will keep. Then I am going to put the sugar into this. Sugar also we put. One more thing I have to tell you in this, because I have given you 250 grams butter, 250 grams sugar, but and 250 grams flour and 4 eggs, but I am doing with 3 eggs only, and the quantity also less quantity because I have already done a very big cake for you all. So we will see. By one I will add the eggs. Butter and the sugar, eggs one at a time. We have to use 4 eggs, but I am doing a little less, not even half the quantity, about 3/4 quantity I am making. So do not get upset. It is with 4 eggs you all make. Till the sugar dissolves, please mix it nicely. Beat it very well. Now one thing I have to tell you here, egg yolk and the white together I have put. Yolk and the white together I have used. So remember that. And now what I am going to do is, I am going to sift the flour. First thing I will put the baking powder. I am using 1½ teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of salt and a pinch of bicarbonate of soda also I am using. All that we have used here, and I am going to sift it now. I am sifting the flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and bit of salt. Mix it well. Before I start beating, normally any cake which I do, I always beat it. That's my way of doing. I always beat it for 1 minute once I mix all the flour together. And a tablespoon of milk I am using. In one direction, same direction you beat it. Now only the twist is going to come. Now I put half of the mixture into another one. Into one portion, that is for this portion, I am adding 1½ teaspoons of cocoa, chocolate essence. Mix it. That is for one portion. Exactly half the quantity you take, and for one portion I have put the cocoa 1½ teaspoon. You can use about 1½ to 2 teaspoons. You can use, no problem at all. Cooking chocolate I am using into the white portion, that is vanilla essence, and you put cooking chocolate. About 60 grams of cooking chocolate we can use. Vanilla essence, cooking chocolate, and this. For this chocolate, I am going to put a little cashew nuts, finely chopped cashew nuts. I told you something. As a twist we are going to make it. So what is a twist going to be like? I need the tray. Oil paper I have put at the bottom. Butter it nicely, and we take this white portion, slowly slowly put it into the tray. Spoon in one by one in the gaps. Like, one on top of the other, and you can have it the way you want. Mix all this together. But see, white with the cooking chocolate mixture with the cashew nuts. Like a swirl it right round. Okay. This cake, when we are baking, remember you don't have to smoothen the cake. You don't have to smoothen, just tap it once. But once you tap it, that's all. Then what you do is just tap it like this and you have to bake it. Now we are going to bake this 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. We have to bake for 45 minutes. For 45 minutes you bake and take this. It's a full cake, 8.5 inch tray. It's an 8.5 inch tray. Forgot to tell you, 8.5 inch tray, and you bake it for 45 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. You bake this and take it. Once it's baked and taken, we will see how it's going to be like. I made the chocolate twist cake, and I'm not going to decorate it nicely because it's already, we have done so much of decoration. I think this chocolate twist cake doesn't need any decoration as such because it looks so nice. But if you like, you can decorate. And one thing I wanted to tell you, already Valentine's Day is over, but you can always celebrate for another week, no problem. So 2 swans I have kept. It's nice to have 2 swans and a rose with the Valentine's Day celebration. This chocolate twist cake, as I told you, you don't need icing. If you want, you can use one of the icings which I have already done. But we just thought of making this chocolate twist cake for you to eat. But then Valentine's Day also came in between. So I thought I will show you the Valentine's Day celebration, a nice decoration for it. That was out of parchment. We made the swans and the rose, and to celebrate the Valentine's Day. You can celebrate any day you want, you can have it. For an engagement, we can have this type of decoration. Not for this cake, we have to decorate the cake. If you want to have a celebration such as Valentine's Day, this is okay. For Valentine's Day, this is okay. But other than that, you can do, if you're going to do for an engagement or a birthday cake or such as that, you have to ice the cake with a buttercream or the glaze icing or whatever fondant or whatever icing you want. You can decorate it and keep the swans and the rose. It will look nice. I hope you will enjoy all these type of preparation that I do. And see, I am going to see you next week with another episode, that is another nice preparation. Till then, bye from me now.